Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how to make a crispy plantain chip. Just listen to this crunch. And I'm using the Simply Natural coconut oil from CGA Limited to help me fry these babies up. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So I'm gonna start by cutting off the ends. And I'm gonna cut this into 3 pieces so it makes it easier for me to peel. And we're going to cut down. You don't want to go too deep, you just want to score it right where the skin meets the flesh of the plantain. If you guys have moko and you wanted to use moko for this, feel free to. And now we're gonna start pulling away like that.
Pizza.
Okay guys, now once you finish cleaning your plantain, you want to go ahead and cut this into thin slices. Try and go as thin as possible. So guys, let me show you another fast way of cutting up or making your slices. You use your paring knife and you just hold it and start slicing like this. So now that the chips are finished sliced up, now it's time to throw them into that hot oil jacuzzi. So if you want, you can test one. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. And you guys know my stove is electric. I have my stove set to 8. You don't want the oil to be medium. You want it to be really nice and hot for this. So I'm gonna do this in 2 batches. My mother-in-law also makes this with green banana. She makes green banana chips. So if you guys wanted to try that, you can. I'm just gonna allow that to fry until it has a nice light brown color. So guys, this first set is finished. So it's time to take it out of the hot oil and drain it on some paper towels. Okay, so now I'm gonna fry the next half. And in total, it took 9 minutes to fry the chips. It can take a little bit longer if you didn't want it to be as brown as I fried it. So I'm gonna let the second set fry. Okay, so while this second set is frying, we need to salt the first set. So you want to salt the first set as it comes out of the hot oil so you can absorb that salt. And today I'm using this Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. It's going to give it that nice Cajun flavor, and it does contain salt. And give it a mix. The Cajun seasoning is very flavorful, so it adds that different layer. You'll get a different layer of spiciness and saltiness. So let me bite into one and taste it. Look at the chip. Wow, really crispy. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this easy recipe for making plantain chips at home. Make it, let me know what you think. It's super easy and it's a really great snack to snack on, especially with that Cajun seasoning. So thank you all so much for requesting this, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay safe.
Bye.